Introducing our LED strip light bundle, your all-in-one solution for creating beautiful accent lighting. You can choose LED strips in 3 color temperature options: 3000 Kelvin, 4000 Kelvin, or 6500 Kelvin. What's included in your bundle? 1 or 2 LED strips, a rotating wheel remote, a single-color LED controller, a magnetic remote holder, Y-splitter cable, a power supply. Kit options. Option 1 includes a DC Y splitter with 2 connectors, allowing you to cut one LED strip into 2 sections and connect them easily. Option 2 includes a DC Y splitter with 4 connectors, enabling you to cut and connect up to 4 sections from 2 LED strips. Before starting, read the included instructions. Preparing for installation. Insert a CR2032 battery into the rotating wheel remote. Gather any tools you may need. Cut the LED strip to your desired length. Look for the cutting marks on the strip to ensure precision. Match the black wire to the minus and the red wire to the plus. Secure the wires tightly in the connector. Mount the LED strip onto aluminum channels using the 3M adhesive backing on the strip. Once secured, cover the strip with the included diffuser for a polished and professional finish. Connect the single-color LED controller to the power supply. Link the controller to the DC-Y splitter connector. Option 1. Connect up to 2 LED strips. Option 2. Connect up to 4 LED strips. Plug the power supply into a standard electrical outlet. Quickly press and release the set button on the LED controller. Press the set button on the back of the remote 3 times. The LED strips will blink 3 times, confirming that the remote and controller are successfully paired. You can now control the lights, turning them on or off, and adjusting brightness levels using the rotating wheel remote. The magnetic rotating wheel remote can be conveniently attached to any metal surface, such as a refrigerator. Additionally, your kit includes 2 magnetic holders, one round and one square, with 3M tape on the back. These holders can be easily installed wherever you prefer for quick access. Want to connect multiple LED strips to a single remote? Press and release the set button on the controllers at the same time. Then press the set button on the back of the remote 3 times. The LED strips will blink 3 times, confirming the connection. Your installation is now complete. Enjoy stunning accent lighting with our all-in-one kit designed to transform your space effortlessly.